Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Isal and today I'll be showing you how to make a beginner-friendly tropical paradise vintage postcard. Let's get started. If you're looking for the best results, I would recommend using a watercolor paper or mixed media paper. For the postcard size, I'll be doing a 4.5 by 7.5 inches. I'll be using Tombow's dual brush pen, retro 10 pack, Tombow's blending palette, and their mono drawing pens, some water, and some brushes. I'm gonna be starting with the sand on this beach scene, and I will be mixing two different colors to obtain that soft pale cream that I want. The blending palette helps create gradients or shading effects, as well as the different colors that we're wanting to use for this beach piece. And once you're done with those colors, you simply wipe it off and it's ready for the next blending. One thing I've learned as a beginner with watercolors is to trust the process. Here, I'm already creating the coconut trees, and later I'm gonna add some leaves to it. And I don't want it to be perfect. I just want to have the idea for when I go in with my mono drawing pens. For the sea, I wanted to use a little bit of a darker shade of blue, so I'm using my palette and I was able to achieve that. Watercolors is a medium that allows you to create layers, and it makes the artwork look very dynamic and deep. Here, I'm gonna be making the switch to a smaller brush so I could fill the spaces for the light blue on the sky. And now it's finished. I just have to wait until it's dry, and then I can go over with my mono drawing pen and add all of the details of the artwork. And just like that, you got yourself a tropical paradise made from watercolor pans that is super beginner friendly, super quick. I have some variations of the same scenery, adding a little boat or some lettering. Hope you guys like this video, and now that the summer is here, let me know in the comments if you're going anywhere that looks like this. Thank you for creating this little paradise with me. Till the next.